If you're still wasting time deciding between Notion and Capacities, stop. One of them will actually change the way you think, plan, and work, and the other might look pretty but could slow you down in the long run. Today, I'm cutting through the noise and giving you the real verdict, backed by experience, not hype. I spent a couple of years testing productivity tools from Evernote to Rome to Notion and now the Capacity. I don't care about features that sound cool on paper. I care about what makes you execute fast, fleet, and smart. Today, I'm breaking down Notion versus Capacities across 6 battle tested. We'll be covering in this video thinking versus doing, daily use flow, second brain organization, AI integration, collaboration, speed, and focus. And I'll tell you exactly which one to use depending on your brain type and workflow style. Whether you're a student, creator, entrepreneur, or knowledge worker, no fluff, no bias. So let's jump into it. First things first, thinking versus doing. Notion is a blank canvas. You can build anything, but that's also the trap. You will spend more time designing. You will spend more time designing dashboards than doing the work. Capacities, on the other hand, is structure first. It's built around idea thinking in objects like people, projects, ideas, less friction. Right? Yes. If you love to think, if you love to tinker, Notion, and if you want to think and capture fast, obviously capacities. Now, the second point, daily workflow. Notion's daily pages feel disconnected unless you set up complex databases or templates like this, which takes a lot of time to be honest. Capacities, on the other hand, auto generates a daily note that connects to everything like a smart journal. Capacities for seamless daily flows. Notion if you need high customization. Third point is the second brain setup. Person can do a para EARS, Zettelkasten or GDD system, but you have to build it manually. As I have already built this. And by the way, if you want this same template, you can just watch this video. I have also given the template link for free. You can check up there. And yes, takes a hell lot of time to build these templates. On the other hand, capacities is a second brain object. Backlinks and time-based views are native. Capacities is a better second brain out of the box if you are fast. But if you want highly customizable, obviously you'll have to go with the Notion. So point number 4 is no AI integration. Notion's AI is solid. Summarizing, rewriting, and brainstorming are built in, which is actually great and also available for free user. So if you're not willing to pay couple of bucks per month, it's very usable for the free users and it works great to be honest. On the other hand, capacities AI feel more contextual. Since is built around objects, AI can understand how ideas are linked, but it's paid. You cannot use it in the free version. But the capacities AI is smarter for idea generation. Notion AI is better for writing assistance. So last but not least, the pricing. In Notion, you get 4 prices, 4 packs. First one, it is free. Obviously, it's more than enough for a lot of people. But if you are serious about it, obviously you can go with this plus or business one. On the other hand, capacity doesn't have any pre-plan. It starts with this $12 a month pack annually, and that's it. So if you're just starting out, I'll suggest you to go with the Notion because it's free. You don't know what are you doing. So here's the bottom line. If you love designing your own system and you work with a team, Notion for sure. But if you want something that thinks with you, where your notes, ideas, and tasks actually feel alive, capacities is your weapon. But don't just listen to me. Ask yourself, do I waste time building systems instead of using them? Do I feel scattered across folders and dashboards? Do I want my ideas to connect effortlessly? If yes, you owe it to yourself to try Capacities. And here's what I'm doing on my own channel. I'm testing tools live in real world source. If you want to see how I build a second brain that actually works, hit the subscribe button and check the next video. No hype, no tech, no nonsense, just what works in real life. Stay sharp, build up better, and stop letting tools slow you down.